Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. And I hope you all are doing well at home. So, if you remember in our previous classes, we have discussed about lines and angle concept, that the pair of angles, we have done it complementary, we have done it supplementary, we have done it adjacent and non-adjacent angles. Also, we have done it linear pair. So today we are going to do the questions related to linear pair, which are based on R.S. Agrawal. Okay, the questions we will be doing today related to R.S. Agrawal. And remember, these all questions are somehow important. Okay, and the concept is linear. The concept of linear pair is already important concept. Okay, so just start understanding the concept of linear pair. Okay, so let's start the questions from a very easy question, that is, suppose the diagram is given here like this, and according to this diagram, this angle is given suppose 64 degree, and this angle is given x degree, and it is asking that you have to find out the value of this angle. Suppose the name is not given only of anywhere, so you can do the question without naming any angle. And suppose in the question, suppose the naming is given. For example, I am telling you how the naming is given. Suppose this is C, this is A, this is B, and this is suppose O. So suppose the name of angles are given. So in that situation also we can do it. So let's do it one question by having the names. So you all are knowing this is the formation of linear pair, which we have already discussed in our previous classes. So if you must be knowing here that this is a linear pair, and I have already told you that linear pairs are always supplementary. Now what do you understand by the word supplementary? Supplementary means the two angles which gives you the sum 180 degree. It means these two angles when you add together will give you here 180 degree. So let's see what is the name of angles which is here AOC. So the first angle you can see is this AOC. So this is AOC. Now will be added with BOC, the second angle. This is BO and C. So this is BOC. When we add both, it will give you 180 degree. Now, why we are getting 180 degree? Because they are linear pair. So please mention the reason that linear pairs are always supplementary. Okay, include the whole line here. Now you can see that angle AOC, we are already knowing it in the question. हमें पहले से पता है AOC की value. Now let's talk about BOC. BOC is unknown to us. It is not known to us. So we are putting x degree because it is given in the question that this is x. Now just you need to find out the value of x. So what you have to do, just you need to transfer it. So 180 degree minus 64 degree. Now when you will subtract this one, you will get it here 6, 7 minus 6, we will get 116 degree. Now the value of x is 116 degree. Now please see this question thoroughly. It was acute. One of the angle was acute in linear pair. So which is already told by me in the previous concept that if one of the angle of linear pair is if acute, then another one will be definitely obtuse. So you can see here that it is obtuse only, which is already obtuse 116 degree. Now let's start the second question. This is also one of the question which is given in R.S. Agrawal. So if you see this question, it can be also taken as a linear pair, but you must be knowing linear pairs will be having the combination of two angles only. But if here it is three angles, you can think that this angle is a one angle. आप इस एंगल को एक एंगल की तरह ट्रीट कर सकते हो, या आप चाहो तो इस क्वेश्चन को स्ट्रेट एंगल प्रॉपर्टी से भी कर सकते हो. नाउ हाउ स्ट्रेट एंगल प्रॉपर्टी? You are knowing that this is a straight line. These all the angles are coming on a straight line, and a straight line means that they are forming a straight angle. A straight angle means again 180 degree. So if you solve this question, you can be doing like 65 plus 65 degree plus x degree plus 70 degree will be added together can give you 180 degree. So if you will solve like this, you will be knowing the value of x here. How will you do that? 65 and 70 will be added together, will be giving you 135 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Now x can be written as 180 minus 135. And when you will solve this one, it will give you here 45 degree, the value of x. Okay, so this is a second type of question which is again from R.S. Agarwal only. Now let's try one more question which is a little different pattern of linear equation only. Sorry, linear pair only. Now this is a different pattern of the question. Okay, let's try a different pattern of the question. The question says that angles of linear pair are in ratio 3:2. Now see this question, it is not telling here that what is the measurement. Also, we are not knowing the value of even one angle. Here we are knowing only the ratio. So always remember, as it is telling that it is a linear pair. So let's draw the linear pair. Then it is telling here that both the angles are in ratio 3:2. So always remember when you have angles in the form of ratio, yeah, any value in the form of value ratio, so you can take one angle as 3x, another angle as 2x. Okay, so one angle you can take it as 3x, another angle you can take it as 2x. So this is showing that this is the linear pair here. Now look at here, this is 3x, this is 2x, and again you are knowing this is a linear pair. So according to linear pair, the sum of both these will give you 180 degree. So as they will give you 180 degree, let's add it. 3 plus 2, which will give you 5x. 5x is equals to 180. So then x is equals to, it will be 180 divided by 5. Now when you will solve it, it will give you 5 3s are 15 and 5 6s are 30. The value of x came as 36. Okay. Now we have got the value of x, but we don't want to have the value of x. We want the value of angles. It means we want 3x and we want 2x. Okay. So 3x means 3 into 36 and 2x means 2 into 36. So this means one of the angle is 72 and another angle is 108 degree. Now let's see, 108 and 72 when you will add together will give you 180 degree. That means our solution is correct. Now let's try a little more complicated question. So if you see this question, you will be assuming that it is a linear pair. So this is a linear pair question which everybody knows. Okay. Now the second part is here the angle's value is given in the form of x. Okay. And not only simple x, it is written in a more complicated way. But although you are knowing that this is again a linear pair question. So what you mean to say is that if you add both the angles will give you 180 degree. Why 180? Because linear pairs are always supplementary. Remember one thing beta, wherever you require this line or suppose you are applying this statement in any of the question. For example, अभी देखो इस क्वेश्चन में हमको इसकी हेल्प पड़ी, दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद 180 आता है, इस लाइन की हेल्प पड़ी तो आपको ये लाइन मेंशन करनी पड़ेगी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट लीनियर पेयर्स आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री. दिस इज अ मैंडेटरी लाइन विच यू हैव टू मेंशन. ये लाइन सबसे ज्यादा लिखना जरूरी है. ओके. Now after seeing this one, if you find, we will just open the bracket and start solving. How will you solve it? See this. This is 2x and this is 3x. Will be added together which will give you 5x. Why I am adding it directly? Because you are knowing both are in plus, so there will not be any change when you will open the bracket. Now minus 10 plus 20. Solve together will give you here plus 10, which will give you the sum 180 degree. Now just you need to solve the process. How will you do that? 5x will be here only, 180 minus 10 will be solved together which will give you 170 and the value of x will be 170 divided by 5. Now 170 divided by 5, when you will do it, you will get the value of 34. How will you get it 34? 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So the value of x will be 34. Now when you will solve the value of x as 34, now let's find out the value of these two angles which were asked in the question. Because it was not asked from us to find the value of x. We were supposed to find out the value of angles. So let us find out one by one here. The first one is 2x minus 10. So how will you solve 2x minus 10? 2x मतलब होता है 2 into x. X की value है 34 minus 10. Now 34 2 ja it will give you 68. 68 minus 10. The angle has come 58 degree. Just you need to put the value जो हम लोगों ने last year किया था जैसा. Now let's say another angle. Another angle is 3x plus 20. So 3x plus 20 means 3 into 34 plus 20. Now let's solve it. It will give you 4 3s are 12. Carry here 1, 3 3s are 9, 1, 10. 102 plus 20, which you will solve it. It will give you 122 degree. Now let's see. 122 plus 58 will be added together, will give you 180 only. This is the proper solution of this question. Okay. Now let's try one last question. Now let's try the last question of today, but this is not related to a linear pair. Now let's see, you can also understand it by diagram only that there is no linear pair here. How will you solve this question? As you all can see that there is a fixed point on which all the angles are made. All the angles are made around the point. And remember always that when you have one point and all the angles are around it, it means you are taking a full complete circle of an angles. Okay, आप पूरा का पूरा देखो यहाँ पे पूरा एक complete circle की तरह angle है. So remember, if you have one point and there are all the angles around it, and the sum of all the angles around the point will give you 360 degree, because you are completing one whole circle over here of angle. So that is 360 degree. So let's find out the value of angle. So it will give you 100 plus 56 plus 74 plus x. Total will give you 360 degree. This is the property of, remember, this is the property of complete angle. Now let's add one by one. This is 156. This is 74. This is x. Will give you 360 degree. We have added this two. Now let's add this two also. 7 and 4 will give you 10. Carry here 1, 7, 5, 12, 12, 1, 13. 13 again carry, it will give you 230. So 230 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now we have got it this. Now let's find out the last step, that is x value. Value of x will be 360 minus 230. Now 230 means 0 will be 0, 6 minus 3 will be 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Now the value of x will give you here 130 degree. The value of x is coming here 130 degree. Now remember students, we have almost covered the questions, all the questions important related to lines and angle from the chapter of R.S. Agrawal. Okay? I would suggest you to try more questions related to this R.S. Agrawal. If you find any problem, you can consult to me. Thank you very much.